Welcome to my channel. Today let's watch Toucan. Toucans are native to the tropical forests of Central and South America. Its most distinctive feature is its oversized beak. Despite its size, the beak is lightweight as it's made of keratin and supported by a network of air pockets. They prefer dense, humid rainforests and are often found living high in the tree canopies, which provide them protection and easy access to food. They are primarily frugivores, eating various fruits and berries. However, they also eat insects, small reptiles, and bird eggs. Despite its size, the beak helps the toucan grab fruit from branches that would otherwise be out of reach. It is also used for tossing food into the air and catching it. They aren't strong flyers due to their small wings. So, toucans tend to hop from branch to branch or take short flights between trees. They are admired for their beauty and adaptability in the tropical ecosystem. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.